Thank you so much, Pastor Elmer. Actually, we could listen to you all day, Pas. At sa kakadating ko lang. And I just want to greet our church family here in Gateway family. Happy 17th anniversary. I remember last year po, nagpadala rin po tayo ng video greeting. I wasn't able to come. Ang bilis po ng panahon, another year. Congratulations. And I just want to quote Hebrews 6:10. Alam ko po na mahalaga po laging panghawakan natin ang salita ng Diyos. And I love this verse. It says, "For God is not unjust. He will not forget your work and the love you have shown Him as you have helped His people and continue to help them." And I just love that promise from the Lord. Palapakan po natin ang ating Panginoon. To our dear Vice Mayor, who I know and I've witnessed who values God above all. Palapakan po natin. Salamat, Vice Mayor. Alam niyo po si Vice Toti, siguro mas marami pa siyang na-attendan na anniversary kahit sino sa amin sa public office. Yan, and we could see his dedication, his hunger to learn the Word of God. And thank you po, Vice Toti, for being a brother in faith to us. Palapakan po mali natin. Of course, sa ating Mayor Ross Rizal, hindi po kompletong isa kung wala ang isa o dalawa. Talagang hindi na ho siguro kami magkakahiwalay. Habang matitino kami, magkakasama kami forever. Kung hanggang, God willing, po. And of course, our Mayor Ross Rizal, he's not here, but I know nakikiisa po siya. Andito po si Pastora Nympha. Magkasama po kami sa Jael Church, and I'm also, my mom is a pastor there, kaya ho talagang ramdam po natin kung paano po bilang isang Kristiyano, laking Kristiyano din po ako sa church, and and I just remember enlarge my coast. That's our theme na po for this year. I love that kasi talagang tayo hindi lamang dapat sa loob ng simbahan. We should be active in other sectors of society. Hindi naman para pumapel, pero para to bring our invisible God and make Him visible to other sectors. Hindi lang sa loob ng simbahan. And our job or our purpose is to copy Him, to be like Him, and to mimic Him outside our church walls. And that's our prayer for this church and for every Christian, na makita ang mukha ng Panginoon sa atin, o ang puso ng Panginoon, that we love people. Our job is not to save them, but to love them and to serve them. And it's up to God if, of course, that person, kung ano ba yung response niya. Muli, maraming salamat po, Pastor Elmer, Pastor Mark, and Pastor Mike, kay Brother Ray, Mark, and everyone po for your continued trust and prayers po sa amin po sa public office. We love you po and we love serving you. God bless you more.